Johnny?
Never anything about it.
We're going to Cleburne, and we're leaving, and we're going to Cleburne. It's the 2nd. What is today? Tuesday. Yeah, and Grandpa's not going to go with us. He's waiting for some knives to sharpen and some stuff to do. And we're taking Marion some tomatoes and some cucumbers. And we're going to go pick up my kids because she came to visit, and we went to see Andrew Lloyd Webber on Saturday. Anyway, a little rift here. We're going to, well, she bought me tickets to go see Andrew Lloyd Webber. He did Cats and Midnight Express, or Starlight Express, and what else did he do? Phantom of the Opera, Jesus Christ Superstar, and it was real good. We enjoyed it. And then she stayed Saturday and then Sunday, and she went back Sunday and took both my kids. Yay! So me and Jeff had a wonderful Sunday together, and then so she was going to keep them till Wednesday, and I decided to go ahead and get them Tuesday because they've not been used to being away from home or whatever. So I asked Granny if she wanted to go with me, and she said yeah, and Bill's going to go, so we're going to make a day of it, and we're going to go out to lunch and just have a nice day of it. So anyway, Grandpa went back to get the camera so Granny could take some pictures to send you. So anyway, well, we'll see you later. We're going to be off. We are at Cleburne. We stopped at Dairy Queen and had Hunger Buster and fries and drink for $1.99, and then we had a Blizzard. Me and Granny had Heath, and Bill had Snickers. And there's Granny's tomatoes and cukes that we're going to take in there. And that's Patrick's car, and Mac's home. I guess he's home for lunch. And there's the lake they live on. Their house is huge. We'll get a big picture of it when we're fixing to leave. Marion's got her flower pots out. They look real pretty. Here's the lake. So we're going to go in and see them.
Go ahead.
Marion, you look fine. And your hair you got done today, and it looks real good. Hi, Patrick. Oh!
Don't do that. No, don't do that.
Well, okay. Well, this is Marion and Patrick.
With that thing?
Yeah, we didn't go in the grocery store, but we did. There's some cake that Marion gave everybody and all this stuff.
Y'all had to make pictures.
McDonald's won't let you take a picture
Yeah, I
inside
know.
McDonald's, though.
Well, I want to take.
I don't know why they're all the same.
Yeah.
Well, it's gonna be hard to get a big one. Turn your head side.
Do I get it?
All right.
You haven't got it covered, have you?
No, he
No,
doesn't.
Granny.
There's their house, Patrick and Marion. That's their house, and we're leaving now. We're gonna go to Walmart so Granny can find something. Home from Marion's house. We had a real good time visiting with her, and then we stopped at Walmart, and it was real busy. And so Granny wanted to look for some culotte pants, and we didn't find any. It was real busy. So so we just went home, and then now I dropped them off, and Bill off, and Granny and Bill's gonna go home because he has to work tonight, and I gotta work tonight. So that's the end of our day on a Tuesday. We'll talk to you later.